Losa before. Malang mama. I'll try and show you how to play Talofa soama, which is a song by the Losa band from Samoa. I played at G. And then C. A minor, G, D, G, E minor, G, D, G, D, and then G again. G is played like that. Place your pinky there at the third fret of the guitar, while it's your first string. Yeah, remember this. The bottom string is your first string, and then next to it is your second string, and then your third string, fourth string, fifth string, and the sixth string right at the top of the guitar. So G is positioned on the guitar like that. Put your pinky there at the third fret of the first string of your guitar. Your middle finger at the fifth string on the second fret of the guitar, and your ring finger there at the first string, third fret of the guitar. Altogether that's G. C. Ring finger at the third fret, fifth string of the guitar. Middle finger at the second fret, fourth string, and pointer at the first fret, second string. That's C. D. Place your middle finger there at the first string, second fret of the guitar. Ring finger at the second string, third fret, pointer at the second fret, third string. Altogether that's D. And then it's D7, ring finger there at the first string, pointer at the first fret, second string, and your middle finger there at third string, second fret. That will take us to D7. G7. It's like playing G, but you only remove the pinky, but adding the pointer there at the first fret, first string. So G, played like that. The middle finger at the second fifth string, the ring finger there at the second fifth also, but it's your fourth string. That's E minor. A minor. Pointer at the first fret, second string. Ring finger there at the second fret, third string, and middle finger there at the second fret, fourth string. Get that's A minor. So when we play Talofa or soama, it goes something like this. Talofa soama, Gracias.